Hey everyone, this is Trackmaster. Today I'm going to do unboxing of Trackmaster Tunnel Blaster set. It came with Diesel. I got this set for Christmas back in 2017 when it was first released. So here's the front, the top, the bottom, side, here's the side, and the back. I'm going to unbox it. So I'm going to do off camera, so I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. As you can see, I just unboxed Trackmaster Tunnel Blast set. So let's get a test one. Wow. Let's see that again. Wow. Let's see that one more time. Wow. That was great. Well guys, that's it with the unboxing with your test one of Trackmaster Tunnel Blast set. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Send a comment, press the like button, and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video.